Well, hello everybody. May 7th. It's actually in the afternoon. Didn't want to bore you too much with all the trenching, but we've been doing a lot of trenching. Yesterday I spent most of the day, since it was partly raining, but most of the day was going rounding up materials. So this is 2021 May 7th, and materials are starting to get harder and harder to come by. So it's kind of one of those things, I just want to make sure I have the materials for the jobs that I'm doing. So I went ahead and purchased all the materials, and so it's not too hard to get. Hopefully it doesn't get worse, but I got this trench, these two trenches. We got gas, water taken care of. Got my daughter up there working on the electric line for the underground electric. You see this sleeve for gas. It's actually a sleeve. It's 2-inch sleeve, and that 2-inch or 4-inch sleeves going underneath the driveway. Yesterday I had to tear this section up right here, tear it all up and expose those sleeves down there. They were squashed just a little bit, and I couldn't get that 2-inch pipe through there. That was pretty important. So I peeled back all of the 3/4 minus, cut the geogrid, folded it back, scraped all the 3-inch minus, and then dug with the excavator down to that pipe. Found the spot that was squashed a little and worked it until I can get a little bit just enough of that squash out of it that I can shove that pipe through, and get it all put back together. So that was a grueling day of that, and meanwhile on this other end you can see the other pipe coming through, and we got these 2 lines going to the house. One's for the gas, one's for the water, and then this trench right here is going to be for the septic. So for the drain line, for our drain lines. So got the boys and the neighbor boys out here playing, having fun. That's what boys do. We play in the dirt, having fun. So, and now I'll give you a little bit of look at the power, the trench for power. It's supposed to be 30-inch minimum to the top of the pipe. So I laid that pipe all out how I wanted it on top, spray painted a line, and then started trenching. So you can kind of see I'm gonna have to go through with the shovel because it's not quite there, but it's all loose material down at the bottom, and it's just gonna be a lot of labor pulling all that out. So not too happy about that, but what can I do? We're gonna have a 45 right here at this junction. We got off just a little bit of our line, so we're gonna have to expose this section here and dig it out a little more. This clay, it sucks digging by hand, so that's what we're gonna have to do. Another thing I wanted to show you up here is I got into cut through my curtain drain right at the very end. You can see water there, and right up in here you can see how the ground kind of deviates right there, but that's the curtain drain. And you can see, which I'm happy about, is that they got fabric, but I'm gonna have to fold all that back probably at least 2 or 3 feet, or excuse me, 3 or 4 feet, and then jam some clay in there to help plug it.